Welcome to the channel. Did you know that 95% of people delete apps on their Android phones incorrectly? Chances are, you might be one of them if you delete apps by simply pressing and holding the app, tapping uninstall, and confirming. This method leaves behind junk files in your phone's memory, which not only fills up storage, but can also slow down your device over time. Let me show you the correct way to delete an app. Press and hold the app you want to delete, then tap on App Info or the info icon. Scroll down and select Storage. Clear the app's cache by tapping Clear Cache, then tap Clear Data and confirm. Once that's done, go back and tap Uninstall to remove the app completely, including all leftover junk files. By following these steps, you ensure that the app and all associated files are fully removed from your device, preventing unnecessary storage buildup and improving performance. If you've been deleting apps the wrong way, your phone may already have accumulated many junk files. To clean them up, check out the video on my channel about clearing your phone's memory. The link is in the upper right corner of this video. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you don't miss future tips. Thank you to everyone supporting the channel. I truly appreciate it. Thanks for watching.